Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the fingerprint option not showing in your device. So first of all, head over to your settings app. In here, tap on the search button. In here, simply type in fingerprint. This should fix the problem. If it's still not showing here, you're going to have to, restart your device immediately. So long tap onto your power off button, then tap on restart. Once you have restarted your device, launch your settings again and check for software updation. So again, tap on the search bar and type in update software. As you do that, you will see software update. If there is any updation available, go ahead, tap download and install and simply download your software. Now see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then long tap onto your settings, tap on the I button. Here tap storage, clear the cache of your settings, restart your device again and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.